I am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. If you have PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, can you conceive naturally? The answer to this is yes. Women with polycystic ovary syndrome can conceive naturally, although it may take a little longer and require some lifestyle adjustments or medical support in some cases. PCOS is a hormonal disorder that affects ovulation, making conception more challenging but not impossible. How does it affect fertility? By making your ovulation irregular. It's called anovulation when there is no ovulation at all. Women with PCOS often experience irregular or absent ovulation due to hormonal imbalances. Without regular egg release, conception becomes very difficult. There is also insulin resistance. High insulin levels can increase androgen production, which may further disrupt ovulation. PCOS also results in hormonal imbalances. Elevated levels of luteinizing hormone and androgens, which are male hormones, can impair follicular development and ovulation. So, what are the ways in which PCO women can finally conceive naturally? Lifestyle modifications are very important, and in that comes weight management. Losing even 5 to 10% of body weight can help regulate ovulation and improve fertility. Maintain a healthy diet. A low glycemic index diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats can improve insulin sensitivity and ovulation. Exercise regularly because it improves insulin resistance and promotes hormonal balance. There is also the method of tracking ovulation. Since cycles may be irregular, tracking ovulation pinpoint the fertile window. You can do that by tracking your basal body temperature. Basal body temperature can be monitored by ovulation predictor kits, which are LH kits, and may be unreliable in PCOS due to high baseline LH levels, but it is a good way of tracking by seeing your basal body temperature. Cervical mucus tracking is also possible. Then there are natural supplements like myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol. It helps regulate insulin and promote ovulation. Omega-3 fatty acids also help because they support hormonal balance. Vitamin D also helps because deficiency in vitamin D is common in PCOS and it may affect fertility. But when is medical support needed? If natural conception does not occur within 6 to 12 months, a doctor may recommend ovulation inducing medications such as clomiphene citrate, letrozole, insulin sensitizing agents like metformin, ovarian drilling, which is very rare to trigger ovulation, or assisted reproductive techniques like IUI, IVF if it is required. So when PCOS can make conception more challenging, it can also result in natural conception with few lifestyle changes and proper cycle tracking. For those who need additional help, medical intervention can significantly improve pregnancy chances. If you have PCOS and wish to get treated, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.